In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog website with Notion in just 5 minutes. Creating a blog might seem like a daunting task, but with Notion, it becomes a streamlined and straightforward process. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just looking to share your thoughts, this tutorial will make setting up a blog intuitive. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Notion workspace. If you haven't already signed up for Notion, you'll need to head to their official website and create an account. For those of you who already have one, simply navigate to your linked workspace where you manage your docs, wikis, and projects. Once there, the next step is to log in. On Notion's homepage, locate and click on the Login button. Provide your credentials, and you'll be swiftly taken to your Notion home where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the heart of your Notion dashboard, it's time to explore the Marketplace. The Marketplace inside Notion is an excellent resource for finding templates that suit a variety of needs. And today, we're on the hunt for a blog template. So go ahead and click on the Marketplace option, which you'll usually find within the side menu. Once you're in, the search bar will be your best friend. Typing in blog website in the search bar will yield several template options specifically designed for blogging. After entering your search query, browse through the results. You'll find a variety of templates that can cater to different blogging styles and preferences, from minimalist designs to more elaborate layouts. Take your time to preview a few options. The right template can make your blogging experience more enjoyable. When you find one that resonates with your vision, click to select it. This action will open up the template within your workspace, allowing you to begin customizing it to fit your personal aesthetic and functional needs. The beauty of using a Notion template for your blog is the flexibility it offers. Not only can you adjust fonts, colors, and add your own images, but you can also embed videos, podcasts, or anything else that complements your written content. As you edit, remember that a clean, organized layout will improve the readability and attractiveness of your blog. Once you're happy with the look and feel, your Notion blog is officially ready to go live. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a fully functional blog on Notion. Do take the time to explore all the additional features Notion offers, like sharing settings, adding collaborators, and more. With continuous practice and creativity, you can turn this simple blog into a thriving online space for your ideas. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!